Okay, I've got a large package from Temu. I've already torn the envelope because the pack was too big to fit on this desk. What do we have? Okay, a fairly useless user manual, as you'd expect. Not really going to need a user manual here though. I think this will be a black light I ordered. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So yes, it looks pretty bright facing the camera, but in reality it is really... Oh, what did I do then? Knocked it out. That's not a very secure power plug. Yeah, it looks really bright on the camera, but in actual fact it is very dull. I'm not sure how well that's going to light up the black light poster, but once I get it set up I will post a picture or a short video or something in the description here of how it went. It has a little on-off switch, which I find to be more of a nuisance than anything. Okay. Here's the product on Temu where I bought it. $13.79 Australian. Yeah, if you're interested you can find it on Temu. Over there. Let's see what else we have in this large package. Okay. Unfortunately, typical for Temu. I'm just going to unpack this stuff. Oh, I'll come back to the rest. These are just little squares of balsa wood, about 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres or 4 by 4 inches. I cannot just at the moment remember what I wanted these for. Might have been as a base for small projects, might have been to try image transfer onto them as coasters. I don't know, but they'll turn up in a video eventually. Now, have a look at how these arrived. I've got to say, Temu provide the worst packaging of any online service. So what these are little, well, they're supposed to be 6-inch, 150mm LED bars that will play to music. Okay. So I will lay these down so you can see them, hopefully. Oh, okay. Maybe I can't lay these down. We shall see how we go. Yeah. Do they have a switch? Oh yes, they do. Just turn the light on so I can see what they say. Colour, mode, speed, okay. 3 buttons. The first bottom one says power. The next one says colour bright. The next one says mode speed. So power. Well, there we go. Oh, now it's not working. The power connection, the power socket in these is terrible. Okay, can you see that? 1, 2, have a 2. Excuse me one moment, I'll put some music on and we will try it. Oh, well, I can't put some music on because I can't find any non-copyrighted music. So, that's one unpacked. Let's get the other unpacked. Baba Black Sheep. I'll probably get kicked off the internet and put in prison for life for saying Baba Black Sheep. Now all the politically correct idiots want you to say rainbow sheep or some such rubbish. Now I think these were supposed to come. Oh, they do. These. Yep, these come with a stand. So you can sit them. Oh, maybe. No, other way around. Let's have a look. Yeah. So I don't know if you can see that one. We'll move him over. Well, that's it there. Yeah, that works alright. I think they'll look a bit cute up beside my stereo in my lounge room. So we'll put those aside. Probably going to see them flashing, but that won't kill anyone. And this is where I bought them on Temu. $5.48 each. They're available in black and white, and I think they're pretty good value. What else is in here? Oh, this is a flock poster, or if you like, a glow-in-the-dark poster. In a previous video, you'll see where I asked them to pack this appropriately. They haven't. It's full of creases. And here's where I bought it on Temu, $4.98. Anywhere else, including eBay, you're going to pay $40 plus for something like this. And as usual, the plastic's nearly impossible to cut. Now I've got to say that compared to everywhere else on the net, Temu's flock posters, glow in the dark, black light, whatever you want to call them, are incredibly cheap. But that's only good if they're not damaged. Oh, yeah, yeah, look, I'm not super happy with that, but that will flatten out, so I will leave that. I will show you that up when I get it mounted. I just have to make a few more of my magnetic poster mounts for that. We put an elastic band on there to keep that closed. There you go. What else?
Yeah.
I don't know how well you're going to see these. I'll try lifting them up. I think there's going to be too much reflection. Anyway, I'll show where I bought them. But what these say, these are just joke stickers. They say for rectal use only. Now, my son and I, or both my sons and I, whoever's with me, regularly stop at a really good hot dog van down towards the Kooyarrup turn off on the way to Phillip Island here in Victoria. And I thought the next time I get them a hot dog, I'm going to put this on it and see how they react. Might even sneak in the supermarket and put on packs of sausages or something. That'd be funny. Okay, so that's them. What else? This is a USB-A female to female. I'm not quite sure what I wanted that for. I remember having a specific purpose for it. Okay. So what we've got, yeah, that's, oh no, that's not what this is. These are excuse me, I'll get a knife. Okay, what these are, in fact, get them open. These are USB-A to bare cable, and those are for use with these, which are 18650 battery holders to bare cable. And what's this? Come here, you shithead. Yes. And these are AAA holders to bare cable. Now, why I've bought them is I've bought some Anyloop AAA batteries. In fact, I bought about 2 dozen of them. No, sorry. I bought a 4-pack of Anyloop AAA rechargeable batteries. And I bought a 24-pack of a generic brand battery, and I want to run some comparisons to see, you know, which is the best value. So that's what those are for. And I think, yep, that is all from Timu. And then another package here. These are more AAA to bare cable. I want to run like several batteries running at once. These are USB-A female to alligator clips, if I can get the buggers open. My fingers make it very difficult to open anything these days. There we go. These are USB female to alligator clips. What these are for is I can put the alligator clips on the battery holder, put a USB doctor in there, and then run that off to a controllable power drain. Not sure of the quite correct word just at the moment, and yeah, and that will record all the results for me. I think that might be it, and that's all for now.